Hi, I'm Tobias and I will be taking a bus right now. I'm right outside Oslo and in the nature, as you can see. And out here you can enjoy some clouds and a nice ride with little houses and cute little roads, I guess. Alright, let's go! Those clouds, nice! I just love those guys. Yeah, and it's always good with some refreshing podcast on the way. Yeah, so that's beautiful Norway. See those guys with those wheels? I want one like that, totally. Look at those skies. Aren't those clouds amazing? Come on, don't tell me Norway isn't beautiful. At least during summer. Look at those tiny roads here. Totally nature. But rich and expensive houses here. And even more beautiful clouds and skies. I just arrived at the bus stop here in a place called Sandvika, right outside Oslo. So I hope you enjoyed the ride. I think so. I did. It's quite nice in Norway, actually.